yourself, okay? Give me 2 minutes introduction, please.
Yes, I was working as a software engineer for 4 years
Okay,
in
that's good.
automation using Python and robot framework. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and then I was working for Tata Elxsi for 4 years, and then I took a break. So now it's been 3 years, and then now I'm planning to try again, but I lost the touch. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, and
So what I
also
understand that you have 3 years gap right now, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
just you need a refreshment, right? Like I want to recall everything what I used to do.
Yeah.
And you want
Yes.
to learn Selenium automation using Java, right?
Selenium automation using Java. Yes.
Yeah, okay, okay, all right. So I have the presentation for you, okay?
Also, I don't like. I haven't worked with Java. So like, I know only Python. I haven't worked. I haven't used Selenium also when I was working. So I don't know about Selenium also, and I don't have Java background
Yeah,
also.
not an issue, not an issue.
Okay.
So let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, do you have my screen?
Yeah. I don't.
So, okay, first of all, I will welcome you to the demo session.
Okay.
All right. So, learning automation testing, it offers several benefits. Okay, let's see how. So, you said you don't know about Selenium, right?
Yeah. Right.
So, let's understand first what is Selenium.
Hmm.
Selenium is an open source tool, meaning you don't have to pay any charges towards any third party. Okay, it is used for automating web browsers. So
Okay.
automating web browsers means the way manual testers, test the software.
Hmm.
Now you need to replace those manual testers with the test scripts. Okay, you'll be writing the test scripts, and that would be doing the same task. Okay, that manual testers does. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm. Yeah.
what is advantage in this is that let's say, let me give you one example. Login page is there, right? Now
Yeah.
there are a number of possibilities that you can input username, you can input passwords, right? And you want to test for the test for different types of usernames, like you see username should be like 6 letters compulsory, more than 6 letters. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
then you need to, as a tester, you need to put all types of different combinations, like
Yes.
by username should have a number, should not have a number, like that, and which test is passed, which test failed. You need
Hmm.
to you know track it as well. And password should contain special symbol. Okay, what if you don't put in the password any special symbol and still you could log in, that means your test failed. Okay,
Okay.
so such things testers do, and same thing you need to do with the script as well. Okay,
Hmm.
so and that's why we use Selenium.
Hmm.
Now with the Selenium you can use Python and Java as well. It
Okay.
provides you a suite of tools that can automate browser activities, like I said, login forms, which filling forms like sign up, and then clicking buttons like there is a submit button, login button, sign up button. Okay, you need to locate that button on the form. Okay,
Hmm.
and you can locate it by ID, by name, by class. Okay,
Okay.
there
Okay.
are different locators that we'll be studying when our session starts. And then
Okay.
navigating pages means when you log in, you need to redirect user to the dashboard page, right?
Yeah.
And have you landed on the dashboard page or not? How do you confirm it? So there is a get title function. So you're learning about the functionalities, like how to get the text from the web page, okay, that you landed on, just to confirm you're on the right page, right? So you can confirm it by using get URL as well. So it will return the URL, okay, that you visited the web page. So there are different pages, there are such 200 test cases you'll be learning throughout
Hmm.
the session, okay, and that
Okay.
will make you master, and you can handle the complete e-commerce project all by yourself, okay. Write the test
Okay.
cases for the e-commerce project at the end of the
Okay.
course. So
Okay.
a Selenium WebDriver, for this you need Selenium WebDriver, right? And
Yeah.
what is WebDriver? Actually, it is like the, let's say, it is the way that you can talk to the browser. Okay,
Hmm.
so your program can talk to the browser. Okay,
Hmm.
through Selenium WebDriver, right?
Okay. Okay.
So it is the main tool that is used for interacting with modern browsers. And for that, you need to download the Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So our
Okay.
first session would be like installation only, because installation
Okay.
takes time. You need few
Okay.
softwares to install in your system. Like you need IDE. Uh,
Hmm.
we use Eclipse. Okay,
Okay.
and you
Okay.
can download the Eclipse. You can install the Eclipse. Then you download the Selenium WebDriver app,
Okay.
and you download Chrome. You download Firefox, because you want to test your script how
Hmm.
it works on Chrome. You want
Yeah. Yeah.
to test your script how it works on Firefox,
Yeah. Okay.
right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
And different other browsers are there, that's called cross-platform. So that is your objective when you are writing test cases.
Hmm.
You've been told that it should be tested on multiple browsers, multiple different operating systems as well. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see what is our learning goal here. The syllabus that has been provided to you, it covers a wide range of topics. Okay, it provides solid foundation in automation testing, depending on your learning goals and requirements. Okay, like you said, you have 4 years experience, so
Hmm.
our session would be like your speed of learning. Okay, we can
Okay.
adjust it. So we can
Okay.
adjust the date and order of topics accordingly. Okay, like
Okay.
sometimes you student says, I have the knowledge of, I already know what is Selenium, so I just want to do like project oriented study, right?
Oh.
Sometimes
Okay.
they say, I want to go in, from the basics, right?
Hmm.
If you don't
Okay.
have even you don't have any programming experiences as well, I can
Hmm.
teach you what is Java in the few
Okay.
sessions first, and
Okay.
then once you're familiar with the basics of Java,
Yeah.
then we
Okay.
can start the Selenium as well. Okay.
Okay.
So what is software testing? Okay, so sometimes we have the requirements from the we get such requirements
Hmm.
that you have 10 years of experience in manual testing. Okay, and your company asks you to learn the automation testing, because
Hmm.
you want job promotion, right?
Hmm.
So you'll be learning that. Sometimes I get requirements like I have 15 years of experience in manual testing. Now I want to learn Selenium automation testing using Java. Okay. So
Okay.
for those people, we don't really need to teach them what is software testing, right? But
Yeah.
sometimes we get freshers also, right? Who doesn't
Mm-hmm.
even have the knowledge of basics of Java and doesn't know about Selenium
Mm-hmm.
also, right? So in that
Mm-hmm.
case, it's important for you to understand software testing. Okay. So why we perform software testing? So it is the process used to identify the correctness, completeness, and quality of the software that is developed. Okay. So that's
Okay.
why we do the software testing. Correctness and completeness and quality. Because you cannot deploy the software just assuming that it is, you know, correct and completed. Okay, as per the user requirements, right?
Mm-hmm.
We cannot assume the quality of the software is always good. Okay, unless you
Yeah.
test it. And
Okay.
if you deploy such products, which contains bugs in the product. Okay, and if, let's say, client finds that bug, or user finds it, okay, at their end, that is the company's bad reputation. Okay, it builds bad reputation, right? The client won't trust you anymore, right? So that's
Okay.
why there are more job openings in the software testing. Okay, and
Okay.
it is never going to end. Why? Because software is going to evolve, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there will be always new softwares coming up in the market, new versions of the softwares always coming up in the market, right? So
Okay.
there is always a job demand for software automation testing. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So the software testing involves the execution of software or system components using manual or automated tools to evaluate one or more properties of interest. The main aim of software testing to ensure that software meets the specified requirements and it is free of defects and it is fit for use. So testing importance. So we'll just see the key terms here, like quality assurance. Okay. So quality assurance means like it ensures software meets customer expectations, right? That is checked. Then security, like identifies vulnerabilities and ensures software is secure from attacks. Nobody should be able to do login, okay, unless it is verified by the admin, right? So that provides security. Sometimes now the softwares are designed in such a way that unless you put the OTP in the software, okay, it won't let you access the dashboard, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so that is security. Then cost effective means detecting and fixing bugs early in the development cycle is less expensive. See, developer has to take care of this. Okay, they should not produce more bugs. Okay, so undetected bugs means there are expenses, okay,
Mm-hmm.
that company faces, like the testers spending time to find the bugs, right? Again it goes to the development department and then it is fixed, again it comes back to the tester, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that is more cost. It
Okay.
has to be cost effective, so detect the and fix the bug early in the development phase only. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
customer satisfaction means delivering a defect free product increases trust in the company. Okay, and compliance means ensures that the software complies with legal and regulatory demands and standards. Okay, risk management helps in identifying and mitigating potential risks associated with the software. Now, software testing needs. First thing, career opportunities. There is a high demand for skilled software testers in the IT industry, and it is very true. I have trained many, working professionals, beginners, and mainly more than 50% were, who were like having experience more than 10 years. Okay, in manual testing field. Foundation in software development, understanding testing principles enhances overall software development skills, problem solving skills. Okay, testing improves analytical and problem solving skills, promotes a quality first approach in software development. Skills in software testing are transferable across various industries and domains. Okay, and there is a continuous learning. Okay, why? Because see, like I said before, software testing is constantly evolving, right? So it provides more opportunities for continuous learning and growth. Okay,
Okay.
then I just added here few key points. Okay, that we are going to learn throughout the session. Introduction to software testing, testing methods, test design techniques, test management, testing tools, defect management, non-functional testing, advanced topics. So and 200 test cases, and it's 90% hands-on only. Okay, like I'll be
Okay.
teaching you how to write the test case, everything from scratch, and I will even execute those test cases, and I'll ask you, and I will monitor how you are doing it at your end. Okay, so once I
Okay.
get a confirmation that you can run your test case on your own local machine,
Okay.
okay, successfully, then there will be more hands-on like assignments at the end of the session, and there will be
Okay.
more practicals, okay, given to you. So let's understand the next points. Okay, understand fundamental concepts. So we understand the importance of testing in the software development life cycle. Then types of software testing. Along with that, we'll be learning different tools also, not just Selenium. Okay, there are other tools in the market. Okay, so
Yeah.
like let's say why we should learn Maven. Let's say Maven is
Uh-huh.
like what? It's a dependency management, tool you can say. Okay, so we can write test cases without Maven and with Maven also. Okay, so you'll be
Okay.
having practice of writing test cases. Let's say
Uh-huh.
like with two methods. Okay, if you are
Okay.
working in a team, you always prefer to write test cases using Maven. Okay, so it's a
Oh,
dependency management tool. Then Cucumber is there, and there are many other tools. Okay, that
okay.
we'll be learning. Okay, and then
Okay.
Playwright is there. Okay, like Selenium, there is
Yeah.
a Playwright
Okay.
that is, in comparison. Like if you want to learn, like let's say how the few test cases we can write it in the Playwright as well. Just giving you the knowledge, but no, it's not like
Okay.
we are learning Playwright completely. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, and
Okay.
then we understand different levels of testing, different tools, then develop test design skills. So learn to design effective test cases using techniques like equivalence, partitioning, boundary value analysis, decision table testing. Okay. Then gain proficiency in test management. These are like manual testers already knows this part. Okay. Understand the process involved in test planning, control, analysis, design, implementation, execution, and closure. Learn to manage test projects and coordinate with development teams. Okay. Learn to use testing tools. Like I said, there are many other testing tools are there. Okay. You get hands-on experience with popular testing tools like Selenium, JUnit,
Okay.
TestNG, LoadRunner, and JMeter. So we will also understand, all these other tools. Okay, if you are asked questions, okay, in the interview they will be asking question. What is JUnit? At least you should answer and do one program. Okay,
Okay.
like using TestNG tool, LoadRunner, JMeter. Okay, handle the UI part here. Okay, so that basic knowledge it would be given to you here in this. Okay,
Okay.
and then understand the role of automated testing tools and frameworks in improving testing efficiency. So understand defect management. So you will be learning about the defect life cycle here, how to identify the defect, the bugs, and track it to and resolve the errors. Okay, so develop skills in defect reporting and root cause analysis. Then explore non-functional testing. Understand the significance of non-functional testing, including performance, security, usability, and compatibility testing. Then enhance soft skills. Develop communication and collaboration skills for working effectively with development teams. See, you need to have the knowledge of some development here as well. Okay. So what we do during the sessions, we will ask you to write the simple web pages. Okay. So you'll be coding as well. It's
Okay.
not just only you are writing test cases. We will
Mm-hmm.
ask you to write simple web pages. Okay, you will not be like provided the ready-made HTML files. Okay,
Okay.
it's not coded already. You need to code it at your end. So you'll be learning a little bit development as well, because once you know the development, so it's easy for you to collaborate with the development teams. Okay,
Okay.
and they can ask you the specifics and you can deliver this, those you can report them about like in their, like if you know their language, what they think, how they think, and what they want. It's very easy for you to communicate with the development teams, right? So it
Yeah.
also improves critical thinking and problem solving abilities. So this is a simple test case. Let me explain you quickly what it is. These are two, imports. Imports means what? In Java, if you want to create an instance of any class,
Hmm.
first you need to make sure that those class needs, you need to import it into your workspace. So workspace is where your program, it will be executed. Okay. So Java, what it does, it
Okay.
sets one boundary to you. It gives you one workspace, and you cannot go outside that workspace when you are running your program. So you
Hmm.
make sure all the third parties, classes are included in your workspace. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So like we need a WebDriver class and we need Chrome driver class. So that's why I first import this. It's like when there is, let's say you throw a birthday party. Okay,
Hmm.
but you forgot to invite your colleagues, friends, and families. So
Okay.
guess what? You would be alone in your function,
Hmm.
all by yourself. No, nobody is there. Okay, why?
Hmm.
Because you forgot to import, import here, send
Okay.
invitation, right?
Hmm.
That's why import is very important. You invite the people that you want in your
Okay.
function. You invite the
Okay.
classes that you need.
Okay.
Then your function starts, right? You decide a venue, right? Where you want to, celebrate your birthday, right? So that
Okay.
is the class. So public class Selenium example, it's a venue. And
Okay.
it has entry point. Main is like a entry point, okay?
Hmm.
So this is where your function starts.
Okay.
And now let's understand this part. Okay, system dot set property means what? Now you decide where you want to run your test case on Chrome or Firefox. Okay,
Oh, okay. Hmm.
so here I decided to execute, on Chrome. So here I have to mention here which where is the Chrome driver. So
Okay.
if I download the Chrome driver, I would prefer to keep it in the drivers folder somewhere
Hmm.
in the downloads folder or documents folder. So that
Okay.
path I need to mention it here.
Hmm.
Okay, and if it's a Chrome driver, mention it here webdriver.chrome.driver.
Okay.
If it's a Firefox, mention webdriver.gecko driver.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now next is to initialize WebDriver. Okay. Initialize WebDriver means what? Now you're creating an instance
Hmm.
to the driver. Okay. This is very important because using this driver only you will be, communicating with the browser, interacting with the browser. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what are you going to do? You're going to open a website. Okay, let's say I want to visit www.google.com. So I'm mentioning this here, driver.get. Please open this web page for me in the Chrome browser. Okay, that I
Hmm.
mentioned here.
Okay.
So after this, you will see that the google.com web page open in Chrome.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and you want to make sure that whether is it a Google page or not. So I'll just use the get title method, driver.get title, and it will take the title. Okay, it fetch the title and put it in a string variable which
Okay.
is page title, and then I'm going to print it. Okay, with the help of system.out.println. So this method will print the page title
Hmm.
to the console, okay, which is your output window.
Okay.
And once you see that the page title is Google,
Hmm.
okay, you can tell that okay, this is test case passed, okay,
Okay.
successfully, and you quit, closes the browser.
Okay.
So all this explanation that I have given to you, it is here
Hmm.
mentioned. First, we
Okay.
set up Chrome driver, we initialize web driver, we open a website, we get and print page title, and we close the browser. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how do you run this program? You need something to write this code, right?
Yeah.
So you don't write the code into the notepad. Okay, you
Yeah.
need IDE.
I do. Hmm. Okay.
Okay, you run the Java program from your IDE. So the browser will launch,
Hmm.
you navigate to Google and print the title of the page and then close automatically.
Okay.
So this is a simple starting point and you can extend it by interacting with elements on the page.
Okay.
Okay, if it's a login page, you will find the submit button, login button. Okay, so you can click that buttons. You can if it's a login page, you can enter the text into the username, right,
Hmm.
text field, and password text field, and you can extract information from it. Okay.
Okay.
So let's understand growing demand. So the demand for software testing is growing rapidly due to increasing complexity of software applications.
Okay.
The rise of agile and DevOps methodologies, and the critical need for high quality, secure, and reliable software. This surge is driving a need for skill testers across various industries. So overall, by mastering these areas, individuals can become experts in software testing, contributing significantly to the development of high quality software products and advancing their careers in the IT industry. So that's all. Do you have any
Okay.
questions?
Um, yeah. So
Hmm?
actually, I don't have any knowledge about Java.
Hmm?
So, so do you start from because like now the code that you explained, right?
Hmm?
So I'm still not like very clear about the code
Yeah, I understand.
because
I got it completely because you haven't written any single Java classes,
yeah,
right? Java
yeah,
programs.
correct,
Yeah, I
correct.
understand. So we need to start from that.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, okay. And also, what's the latest? Like, which one do you think? Like, do you offer also Selenium with Python also, or only Selenium with Java?
You
And which
know,
is better to?
see, both are preferred, but I have
Okay,
most of the, I have provided training maximum in Selenium using Java, mostly preferred. Why?
okay,
Because Java, it is like since 1990,
uh,
many developers out there, and you've been
mm,
trained. You see many students nowadays in school days also school,
mm,
they are getting trained for Java and Python both nowadays. Okay,
okay,
so
mm,
it is like your decision, like where are you comfortable with Java or Python.
okay,
So many users already they prefer Java because they already know Java.
okay, mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's why I get maximum, like inquiries
Mm,
such.
okay, okay. And also and are there any? Do I get access to any sample code or any GitHub repository like after at the end of the course? Hello.
Hello, yes, can you repeat it, please?
Um, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, can
Hello.
you repeat it, please?
Yeah, yeah. So there'll be hands-on learning also, right? So will I get a chance to do any project-based?
Yeah, sure. At the station, there will be
Uh,
e-commerce project that
okay,
that is created using React.js framework. Okay,
okay,
and you'll be learning like how to find the products on the products page. Okay, like
okay.
like on Amazon and Flipkart, how do you search a product and then you click on
Oh,
add to cart, then you go to the payment page like that.
okay,
All these actions, you
okay,
can we have the e-commerce
hmm.
product actually. Okay,
Okay,
that is in React.js, so you'll be given knowledge about that also, a little
okay,
bit how to create a React.js as an application, not entire
okay.
application, like creating React.js e-commerce project, because that is a different level of learning, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
That that puts you into the development team, not in the testing team. Okay,
Okay,
so that's why, but the knowledge is required. So how to create a project, that's it. Okay, and
mm.
then how to understand the code. Okay,
Okay,
and because you need to also see the code, no, before you're writing the test cases.
Okay.
e-commerce project, right?
The
So that
code,
will be.
the
Mhm.
code done by the development team, is it?
Yeah, yeah, that is done by the development team, but you
Okay.
need to
But the
understand
thing
a
is,
little bit of
okay.
code, right? So that is
Okay.
not part of the training, but I will still prefer
Mm-hmm.
to give you the training for that also, so that
Okay.
complete knowledge will be delivered to you.
Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Um, will we be using like Git, Jenkins, or any CI/CD tools?
Yeah, yeah, that is in the syllabus.
Okay. Okay.
That is already in the see, that is default. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. Um, and also, like, will I receive any certification for the course, like, so that it will be recognized by any company or organization?
Yeah, that's also default.
Oh, it's a default. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. So I'll be getting a certificate, is it, at the end
Yeah,
of the?
yeah, yeah. See, now as I'm your trainer, no. So after training also, you'll be in touch with us,
Okay.
and we also, we are in contact with other, or see, we are in the IT forums, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we get the job openings as well, So we
Okay.
send those openings to you. You have to try for those jobs. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So it will be given to you time to time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. And also, like, I got this, I got the details about this online course in a WhatsApp group in Singapore IT jobs.
Mm-hmm.
So do you have any tie up with any HR here in Singapore or something? Like,
No, not in
uh,
Singapore, but in India, like in
okay.
Badlapur and Pune.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah.
okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. And how long is the course? Like how
It's basically a 50 hours course. Okay.
50 hours? Okay.
50 hours plus minus 10. Don't you worry about that.
Okay.
So, see, if you are interested, okay, I don't mind teaching you 10 hours more. If you are
Oh,
interested in any other tools also, and you ask me that I want to learn this tool, I want to know
okay.
about this tool, okay, then the training will be provided to you. Don't you worry about that.
Oh, okay. Uh, okay. Uh, can I know the details about like how much is the course and all that?
The payment part for that you can talk to the sir.
Okay.
I'm a trainer,
Okay.
so you talk to the institute.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
So
Sure.
yeah,
And
any technical part you have any problems, you can talk to me. Okay.
okay. Okay.
See, I have 15
Uh,
years of experience. Don't you worry about that. I worked 7 years plus with US based company,
okay.
Skyline. Okay. I have the Unix admin knowledge. I train Azure students, AZ104, DP900 certification courses, you know,
Okay.
all this. And job support, corporate trainings, one to one. My 80% students are from different parts of the world. Only
Oh,
20% students I teach, Indians, Indian
okay.
students, and 80% students are from different parts of the world. Okay, so don't you
Okay.
worry about the training part here. Okay, you'll be given
Okay.
the complete hands-on. And then 90% my training sessions are only practical.
Mm.
Okay, so 200 test cases. That's what I said. Once you master in 200 test cases, now you write the
Okay.
200 test cases. Then you can
Mm-hmm.
handle any project.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
So if I want to like I will learn basically like Selenium with Java, but I also
Hmm.
want to try out with Python also.
Hey, you can do
Uh,
that, no?
okay, I
You
can
can
do
do
that
that
basically.
because you already have the knowledge of Python, no? So you
Yes.
will easily figure it out. That's not an issue. But if you find any difficulty, I'm there.
Okay, sure. Because I have knowledge about Python, but then again, that's what I lost touch right in these 3 years. So that's why I
Hmm.
want to refresh
Don't you
with Python.
worry, don't you worry about 3 to 4 years gap because I have trained a student who had 6 years of gap. Okay, he was
Okay.
working in non-technical. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and he told me I have 6 to 7 years gap.
Mhm.
Should I try for the job or not? I told him you just give me 4 to 5 months. Okay,
Okay.
3 months
Okay.
training, 3 months you practice it on the project, and
Okay.
once you complete the project,
Okay.
I will forward your resume to my friends and colleagues. But before that only he got the job.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So once you do the project, no, you don't need
Yeah.
our help as well because you have the skill, so you are not dependent on us also. Before that
Hmm.
time, see, what company wants skills? If they
Hmm.
get your resume, they know that you're a skilled fellow. So
Hmm.
you don't even need our help, to set up the
Okay.
interview or forward your resume, nothing like that.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for the demo.
Yeah, okay. You're most welcome. Still, any doubts now? You can ask institute. We can say have one meeting also. But now generally demos are like 30 minutes only. But that's okay. Looking forward to like teach you the Selenium Java. Okay. And please make decision quickly. Okay, because already batches are starting, so you will get the availability as per you'll get the time as per your availability. Okay.